it's Dakota here, and I'm back with another video. I just want to say thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. For everyone that's just been like supporting me and, you know, watching my videos, sharing my videos, all of that, I want to say thank you. It's only the beginning, so, you know, 2020.
Here I come. Here I come.
But yeah, so today I am going to be doing a finger coil hair tutorial on my hair, and I'm just going to show you guys like how I do it, the products that I use. Currently my hair is kind of like dry. I did add like water, sprayed water into it earlier, but I'm going to deep condition it because I didn't deep condition it the day when I actually washed my hair because I was running out of time and all that, you know how it is. So I am going to be just deep conditioning it and then finger coiling it, and you guys are gonna stay tuned for that. Make sure that you comment, you like, and you sub to my channel because, like, as I already said, you're missing out if you don't. And let's get into this. I also want to say that today marks 4 months since I cut my hair, so basically you guys can see how it's looking. I told you in the other video, if you watched it, that my hair was kind of like, my hairline was kind of receding and all that, but it's growing in nicely now. Like, it's thickening and all that stuff, so that's good. But we're just gonna stay tuned for this hair growth journey, and I'm gonna stop talking now. So I am out of the shower and I deep conditioned my hair, so I am now gonna just show you guys what I've been using. So my deep conditioner that I've been using is the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist deep conditioner with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. My leave-in conditioner now that I'm about to use, I recently just picked up Devacurl Leave-In Decadence Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Yeah, so I don't know how I feel totally about this one yet, but this is the one I've just started using. Before I was using Shea Moisture, but I didn't really like that one. So there's that. And then for my curl definer cream, I've been using Devacurl Super Stretch Coconut Curl Elongator Define and Control, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna start with the back of my head. I'm doing that off camera because I don't know how I'm gonna do it on camera, so I'll see you guys when I finish the back. So I finished like some of the back, but I just wanted to show you guys how I've been doing it. So I have my curl cream here, and then I add a little bit of the leave-in conditioner to it. I don't add too much because, like I said, it can flake a little bit, but I just work it in. And then I use my tail comb just to help with detangling it. And then I just twirl my fingers like this. This is what they look like so far. I hope you can see it. Okay, I'm just gonna continue now, and yeah. This looks so good. Like, do you guys see this? So my hair is finally done. I finished the finger coils. I did say in the beginning that I don't know if I said it or not, but I was thinking of doing them bigger than how they are right now, but it turned out to be small as always. And this is what it's looking like. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video if you can. And I'll see you guys in the next hair tutorial that I do. It's fairly easy. I'm gonna wear this for the whole week. And yeah, see you next time.